It's kind of invisible to the eye, so the idea of this project was to be able to experience it and to visualize it. IN OSCILLATION is an art installation inspired by the mycorrhizal network under the forest floor. So this is the connection of certain mushrooms with more than 90% of plants. When visitors are pressing the touch sensor, then you can see the lights lighted up one after another, kind of mirroring the biochemical signals that would travel in the mycorrhizal network. So visitors are able to see that, but it also triggers light sensors that then activate, and those light sensors work as resistors and allow the electricity to flow in the sound circuit. So you will hear buzzing, and this is the electricity that is amplified. So the sound circuit kind of is dependent of the light circuit, a bit like the plants depending on the mushrooms in the forest. And so that was an aspect that was important to me. I was inspired by the mycorrhizal network because of this interspecies relationship, but also because of the layout of the network. I found it inspiring for our communication system. It's much more distributed layout, while our internet is more centralized. I wanted visitors to enter into an interspecies relationship with the mushroom, but I also wanted them to realize the complexity of those networks in nature. There's no wires in nature, so it's a not natural way to look at it, but it's still what's going on underneath the forest floor. This is a new iteration of the project too. This time it's up on the wall and visitors are looking up at it. And I really like this version because in nature you would be looking down at the mushroom and the mycorrhizal networks, but now it's like the mushroom looking down on visitors.